Well, we have another snow day. Kids are off school. As I was getting ready to get out the door, the 2-hour delay turned into a day off. Because apparently it's supposed to snow a little bit later today, somewhere around 2 o'clock this afternoon. So please be careful out there. The roads are a little bit crazy, but hopefully they'll get it under control. It's been an interesting winter, hasn't it? And I'm looking at the numbers again from January, and I think February is going to be the same way. But January of this year, probably roughly around 900 units less than what was on the market last year. And that's what we've been saying. And I think it's real important if you're a home buyer and you're looking at homes, you've got to get pre-qualified up front. I can't stress that enough, because what's happening is so many people are going out looking. You're out there with a realtor and you don't know what you can afford, and you're working behind the 8 ball. It's really backwards if you think about it. But I think that's the way we've always sort of done that. And I even did that with my first house, went for a realtor and then figured out the mortgage piece. But as I see the way the market is, and even if inventory improves and it really becomes a buyer's market, you still have to be pre-qualified up front. Because when you think about it, wouldn't you rather be in the driver's seat calling all the shots versus trying to figure out and scrambling around a little bit? And the nice thing again about our process is we make it very simple, very easy up front, and we do a lot of due diligence up front. So when you hand that pre-qualification letter to your realtor, that's a very, very strong pre-qualification. And we can move very quickly on the loan process because we've done a lot of due diligence up front. So I can't stress that enough. I know I've been harping on this for a few weeks, but it is really, really important to meet with me first, your mortgage loan officer, and get pre-qualified. Because we'll be able to sit down and go over various loan programs. Does it make sense? FHA, conventional, USDA, are you a vet? We've got a lot of great VA programs. And I think also too, with inventory being down, again, there's still a lot of homes out there. I was just driving around the other day and there's some nice homes out there, and I can see from the outside they need some work. We do have renovation loans, and the renovation loans, there's still that myth out there that these loans are really tough. They're not. We do them all the time and we're very good with them, and we can walk you through the process and show you how it's done. And if you're a realtor, give me a call. I'm happy to talk to you about how we can help your clients get into the home and make it the home of their dreams. So with that being said, it's time to get to work right now. And look, if you're looking right now for a house, give me a call at 302-383-3298. Let's talk. Let's get you in here. Let's get you pre-qualified and find the home of your dreams. What are you doing back there? You sleeping? You guys got to get on me. I didn't show you the full end of dinner with the taco salad, and I just busted my ass for about 2 hours. I took the carpet off the steps. So take a look. What do you guys think? I like it. I might like runners in the carpet, but I'll tell you, there's something about just natural wood, seeing it all, and we're going to be painting it. So hopefully it'll kind of look like that. You got the white on the steps up there, so it's going to be awesome. And we're going to do some cool trim work around, but I'm going to go relax for the rest of the evening. It's about 8 o'clock. Have a good one, everybody.